Okay, so I got some packages from LaCroix. And you know it can only be from LaCroix because they're the only ones who would have access to this print here. So let's unbox them. And I will work on my over-exaggerated TikTok responses. What? Okay, now I'm exhausted. So all right, let's see what we got in here. Oh! They've sent me a bunch of discontinued stuff. LaCroix.
The cola.
It's cola. It tastes a little like a Tootsie Pop, which is a good flavor. Yeah. And now they send me Mojito, which I've never actually had. Now they do it. This is a discontinued flavor they just sent me. And the box is open already, so you know that it's good because someone must have tried it. I kid.
Okay.
I wish it was summer. This is a summer flavor. It's like got a mintiness. Okay, here's another box. Now this box, that's the end of that sentence. You know, opening tape with your finger is overrated. But here we go. Oh my God! It has a card with my name.
Oh my God!
We got the cozies.
The cozies.
LaCroix, I appreciate this. It really means something to me. Oh, look at this! It's a limoncello pin!
Oh.
That's legitimately cool. I like that. And a hat.
To go with your first hat.
I already have one of these. Here's a... Look at this! It's a key lime keychain. No, excuse me, cherry lime keychain.
Okay.
Oh, can you imagine it was a key lime keychain? I blew that. And now let's read the card. You know, it's probably got a check in it. They're probably like, you know what, Russell? We're going to give you $500,000. Just because. That's the only thing that makes sense. So, note that we've got LaCroix stickers on there. This is like, they went all out for me being a fan. Oh my God. Oh! What the? These are like little stickers.
Aww.
Yeah. Pamplemousse is here. Look at this. This just says pamplemousse. Hibiscus. Hey, hibiscus isn't bad. Okay? I was wrong the first time. This is a buy one, get one free.
Oh.
I'm gonna hold on to that. Also, just because I like how it looks. I mean, they're just these like... yes! It's a key lime fridge magnet!
Yes!
This is truly an epic gift. It says, Russell, thank you for the love. XOXO, LaCroix team. Tell me where I can send you all a book. Thank you, LaCroix. And thank you, fans, if you buy my book. Or, frankly, buy a LaCroix, because this is the bomb. And I can't wait to decorate the fridge with these right now. Pretty cool.